What's up guys, Jay and Ward here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the 2019 Mustang GT. The sound of this exhaust clips, these aggressive notes that this car can produce. Now this car has the muffler delete with the resonators off, replaced with an H pipe. So this is not your stock Mustang GT, and the total cost of this all came out to about 600 bucks. Actually, sorry, cost is a lot cheaper. So for the muffler delete, that's going to be about $150 to $80 depending on where you go. Resonator delete, that's also going to be between like $60 to $120 depending on where you go. The H pipe I got costed me $130, and installing that costed $60. So you could do the math on all that. The reason I said it was like 600 was because I did end up getting like these titanium tips, which I could show you in a second real quick. That ended up costing me also an additional 150 bucks. I'll show you those titanium tips real quick. All right. So these are titanium tips that I got. Yes, the Mustang GT is a quad exhaust if you didn't know. And so we got those two. And then we also got it on this side over here. Excuse this little, I did a little gifting paper and just a little design for Christmas. Also, look, we have the hood over here. Right over here, we got the little bow. So little Christmas style, you know. So let's go ahead and start this up for you. This isn't a cold start because we did end up driving down here, but it's still going to sound pretty loud and pretty aggressive. As you see, it's pretty aggressive. This is the style of here. To my voice, this is how loud it is, with my voice. So if you can hear me compared to the exhaust, because that's kind of an easier way to hear it. That's kind of how it sounds. And then go ahead and rev it a bit for them, Sabrina. So it's aggressive. And here, go ahead and do it with me talking to hear that. Hold on. All right, ready? So I'm just gonna say some random. Yeah. So you can't hear me. That's how loud this car is. So it has a really loud, deep gargle sound. Really beautiful. And here, if you want, can you pull off for them? Just do a drive off. So as you see, it has a little bit of pop to it, a little bit of a really, not a little bit, really deep tone. I'll go ahead and show you guys a little flyby of this car too. So let me go ahead and get positioned for that, and you guys can go ahead and hear that flyby of this 2019 Mustang GT with the muffler delete and the H pipe instead of the resonators. Alright, so now this is going to be in the drive mode, so no paddle shifters or nothing. This is the cruising sounds. This is what it sounds like when I'm cruising. And it's pretty mellow. It's pretty loud too at the same time. It has a large grumble. There's really, there's no drone in the cabin at all in this car. And so it's kind of if there's a cop around, I can keep it quiet. And if I want to make it loud, that's how it sounds from when you kind of step on it. So that's going to be drive mode with the windows down. Roll the windows up, and yeah, you see, you can hear me clearly. There's no drone at all, and that has to do with the H pipe. So if you just do a resonator delete, there's going to be tons of drone. You're not going to be able to talk to your girl. Point, trust me. When you step on it right here, it sounds really nice. It sounds really aggressive. It's really deep. All in all, it's a huge W. Let's just put it that way. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and go in sport mode. As you see, driving normally, it's a lot louder. You can definitely hear it a lot more. It's just, all in all, it's just way more open as far as the valves. Now, don't ask me all that valve stuff. I don't know how all that works. But it sounds really solid. that's like that casual, like going up on the sport mode. It downshifts beautifully automatically. I'll show you us flooring it in 1 second. Alright, we're gonna floor it right here so you can go ahead and hear this. This is when you floor it in sport mode. Downshifts are just beautiful and very aggressive. It really only downshifts if you step on the brake pretty like solidly, but it's just really nice.